So now it's time to install the light. So with the light, what you want to do is make sure you go first with the end, so you can insert the plastic tab under the cap and make sure it's a perfect fit. And then all you have to do is really just clip it in, very easy. Just do it bits by bits. And then we're gonna get back. So first we install the length, and then we'll adjust it for the finish. And because it's a silicone sleeve, it's extremely resistant to heat and extreme cold. So it is the same material that you would use for baking. So it can literally bake in the sun and not have any issues. The LEDs are industrial grade LEDs. Okay, and now everything is clipped in. So now we finish. Just make sure that it's nice and well set into the channel. And then once this is assembled, you can take a wet cloth or just a hose and just hose it down to clean it up in case there is any dirt. Since it's rated IP67, which means it's the closest thing to waterproof you can do. Now that the LED light is assembled, we're going to do the electrical connection. So what you want to do is bring the wire under the bracket, make it come out of the bracket, and then wherever you want, you can drill a hole to pass this. The power supply that comes with the LED light comes with a little grommet right here. So once you drill the hole, you can close the cabinet with the plastic grommet, and then you just connect the two inside the cabinet, of course, and the light turns on. And so once the light is on and ready to use, you have here the controller with a little slider, and then you can choose the mode that your client wants. So red and green, red blinking. And then remember that the default mode is red. So in case of a power outage, light turns off, machine turns off, and when the power comes back on, it's gonna be static red only.